Hi folks, in this video I will show you my Yamaha HS50M speakers, which I am using all the times for recording and listening the music in my studio, and they are really legends because they just play the music just the way it is. They are really flat and very nice sounding speakers, and all the studios like them and they use them, so anywhere on the planet. And this will be just a quick review how they sounds, just a little technical specifications. And well, this is the 5-inch speakers, and what else, they are 70 watt by amped, so let me just listen how they sound.